Hi everybody, just thought I'd give you a brief rundown on how you can get Java webstart to work. I've got a little application directory which shows some of the deployed applications that I've got. The simplest first application that I like to try is my little benchmark. I always get this warning, I'm not sure how to stop it, and then it runs Java webstart and then just launches the application and runs the benchmark. That shows webstart is working and it's running a program on demand. I've signed the program. It trusts the program. You can gain access to certain kinds of multimedia devices, such as the 3D hardware, unless there's a problem, in which case it throws an exception, and then you can start here and you can try and figure out what the problem is and look at that. It's Java 9 exceptions, and he's not happy with the idea of going outside of his little module and gaining access to Sun proprietary libraries such as the Java3d library and such. And I'm never quite sure what the issues are with this, and so this is an area where we have to do an exploration. So that didn't work. Okay. Other things that probably aren't going to work are the Carl structures, also broken by updates. Another 3D application. You try to download it, doesn't work. It's making use of specialty libraries, no doubt, but that can't be helped, because if you want to use Java3d, you've got to use specialty libraries. And Oracle has done almost nothing to support Java3d, and so we get the same sort of error, exceptions involving Java 9. So that's a problem. Got to try and deal with it. Anyway, thanks a bunch. Talk to you later. Bye.